Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this eye-catching subscribe and share buttons on your videos by using CapCut. So you can just finish your edit first and then add the subscribe and share buttons by going to stickers, and here click on this arrow down category and then find your subscribe and share button. So for example, here I'm going to just find, okay, I'm going to use this subscribe stickers. Okay, I'm going to put it in here at the bottom of my video, and let's add the other one, the other stickers. Okay, let's add the share stickers. Okay, I'm going to just use this one. Click on a check icon and I'm going to put it like this. Okay, then you can just add animations to each of the stickers. So click on animations, and here I'm going to add the in. I'm going to use the bouncing, and for the out I'm going to use fade out. Okay, I'm going to add the same one for the share stickers. Bounce in and out, fade out. Okay, so this will be the result. I'm going to put it in here and make it small, sorry. Okay, and after that you are done, and you can just add a sound effect if you want. Let's try to add audio here. Click on sound effects. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Let's try it. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.